Greetings and welcome to this brand new video. In this video I will show you how you can get iOS 18 public beta right on your compatible devices. But before you do so, please make sure that you have backed up your device via iTunes or iCloud and you have enough battery left, 50% or higher, or please plug in your device before you update. And make sure you are signed in on your iPhone or iPad with your Apple ID. And the method shown in this video is completely free and it is official. Open Safari and head to beta.apple.com and you will see these options to sign in or to sign up. If you are already enrolled, you can simply sign in, or to enroll, please hit sign up. Now here, please sign in with your Apple ID which you have used to sign in on your iPhone or iPad. Now after signing in, you will see this screen. Simply scroll down and you will see enroll your device. Hit it. Now scroll down and you will see open beta updates. If you are running iOS 16.3 or earlier, you can simply download the configuration profile and update. And you will be taken to settings app and then to software update. Simply wait here a few seconds. Simply hit beta updates. And then from there, select iOS 18 public beta. Then simply go back and you will see the iOS 18 public beta right here. Then simply hit update now to update. That's all for this video. If you still have questions, please ask in the comment section and I will reply as soon as possible. I will see you in a new video. Goodbye and take care.